Yep. Well, it's go time. I don't know what day it is. It's Monday, but we're going down with Blockhead. Whoop, he's right there. Little meet and greet. This is my first meet and greet ever. I was like, we're just gonna go sit in a chair and relax. He's like, are you kidding me? There's gonna be people in her face all day long. You've never done one of these before, huh? I was like, no, I haven't. But thanks for making me nervous. Time to meet and greet some people. What's up, everybody? Sorry to interrupt this action-packed moment on YouTube, but I want to announce our next giveaway bike. This one's a little wild, it's a little different. It's the Stunt Tail. If you don't know about it, there's a huge YouTube series, years worth of YouTube on us building this motorcycle right here. It's near and dear to my heart. It's been in my life since 2008. This thing is a beast and one of the best motorcycles I've ever ridden. But she's also kind of a road warrior, apocalyptic style, and it's how I wanted to do it, but I feel like if we're gonna give it away, we gotta make it flashy. So we're gonna paint this thing, we're gonna body work this thing, we're gonna put a new Thundermax in it, because this one is from 2008. We're gonna update some stuff on it, and we're gonna kind of build it as we go along. But it's time. For every $5 you spend on KruesiOriginals.com enters you in a chance to win this bad mother when she's all said and done. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you for watching. Peace. Sucks. Where do we put it? Where are we gonna put it? Where's it go? On the front? Right here? Oh. Nothing? First Harley Davidson meet and greet is all done. It's a wrap. It was really cool. It was really weird, like all those people wanted to talk to us and stuff. It's kind of an interesting experience, but we're in Deadwood. We all rode out here. We gotta go find everybody because we lost them. And we're gonna go eat the Hard Rock and make it a lazy day. Downtown Deadwood, baby. We're back downtown, wandering around. Ran into old Eugene.
Hi.
Stop by the Rebels Den again. See King Tony, Gino Leonardi, Lino Gino. See the old homies. We're waiting for Tommy to get here because I've got all of his food in my saddlebag. He had to rush back for a bit and take care of some shit. And we're gonna go wander around, let the women do some trinket shopping.
Trinkets and things. Call me Trinket Trent.
Favorite things to do.
whole process for building an M8 FXR is documented. So the secret's out, everybody knows. So you're going to see more and more of these.
Oh yeah. Also, FXR Division's producing a frame that's ready now. At least they did. They didn't have them available when I checked last time because I got a 117 laying around the shop right now I want to do something with, but I'm not sure what.
Is it 117 touring? It can't be soft tail.
Touring.
Yeah.
Water cooled. Let's have that 24 right there.
Yeah.
Takes 130.
Well, the thing is, here's the beauty of it. The original original FXR drivetrain, they kept the same dimensions for the way that a swing arm bolts onto the rear of the tranny case, and the way that all fits in the frame with the pivot blocks. Harley kept all those dimensions consistent.
Really?
So yeah, I mean, you're talking 40 years ago to now.
I noticed the motor mount you made looked just like they bolt up like a big bear, like the forward control mounts.
Yeah, well, I chopped off those forward control mounts, and I just put 2 bungs in the frame to accept that. Yeah. So I mean, listen, the power to weight ratio is insane.
Oh, I bet.
A 114 and a lightweight FXR, it's got to be, I'm guessing, at least a couple 100 pounds lighter than your bagger.
100%.
So, I mean, you do the math. Imagine how much fun this bike would be for somebody like you.
Probably got 300 pounds on me.
Oh, I don't know. You might be pushing it there.
800, 7, 8.
Yeah, but this has got to be 650. You're probably 8-ish, just 8 something. So it's probably a couple 100 pounds. But listen, the beauty is, I have all the modern convenience and performance.
Yeah.
Your bike. I don't have a key. I just walk up with a fob. I've got cruise control.
Yeah.
I've got ECM, BCM, all that stuff that you have.
Yeah.
I just have it in a different skin.
Oh, I like it. I like them small and nimble. That's what I haven't liked about the new touring. Like I had a Road Glide at 21 and it just felt massive to me. But this, I like the street lights. It makes it feel a little bit smaller. But that right there, that just looks like a really cool FXR.
Well, I appreciate it. I love it. It's a lot of fun. And now that I've ridden an FXR with M8 power, I don't know how I could go back to an Evo. But
power is a good thing, huh?
Yeah.
My bagger's making 155 right now.
That's stupid.
Yeah, I'm gonna boost it when we get back. I want to try and get 225 out of it.
Well, listen.
Just because novelty shit, you know. But
okay, listen.
30-foot walls of smoke down the road.
Calm down. Calm down. For this bike, I put that Star 3030 cam in it.
Yeah.
I make 124 foot-pounds of torque. It's plenty.
Oh yeah.
Again, I mean, this is a monster. This is a legitimate monster.
Yeah.
But
that's more than you need in FXR. I built some big motor FXRs over the years. You know, like 124 twin cams and 124 Evos. They're unreal.
But they're not as refined as Milwaukee 8 delivery.
No.
They probably you lose some fillings in your teeth.
155 with this, it's still smooth enough to wheelie. Like if I had a twin cam that made 120 horsepower, I couldn't ride it. I couldn't wheelie it because it would jerk me off the bike.
Yeah, no.
They're so This is
Milwaukee 8 is refined power.
Yeah. It's very linear and it pulls the whole time.
Yeah, absolutely. It's something special. But yeah, I'm stoked that you dig it. And
what's your name? Where can they find you?
It's Corey Abear is my name. Main Drive Cycle is the brand. This is just a hobby. I don't have a shop. I just work in my garage.
Yeah, Instagram?
Yeah, Main Drive Cycle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Go check them out because I'm going to tell you right now, this is the best build I've seen in Sturgis right now. It's clean.
Thank you, Ryan.
Super, super clean. I like every single line on this bike is smooth as glass. It almost looks like a toy.
That's
beautiful.
really nice. Well, hey, also shout out to Jay Sutts at Fast Life. This is his.
Oh, Jay's painted that.
Yeah, Jay's.
Oh, yeah.
Now
the paint job's beautiful.
Well, this is not typical Fast Life Extreme. This was a lesson in restraint because I'm very under the radar. You know, I don't want flash. I want subtlety. So Jace had to collaborate with me, and really, I think we found a happy medium. But it still has Fast Life signatures, but more my style.
She's bad. Thank you, Bubba.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.